Hey everybody! So I'm going to attempt to make my second video today. Today's topic that I'm going to focus on is I'm actually going to be rinseless washing my car outside in the snow. I am not winter driving my car. This is the second year that I haven't done it. This year the paint was wet sanded and polished, so I care about it a little bit more. I have a kit on it this year, which makes it even lower than it was last year. And with the amount of snow that we've already gotten this year, it is just not worth it to drive a lowered car in the snow. So, with that being said, my car is finally going to be moved into a shop hopefully this weekend, so we can get started on the engine swap that we're doing. We're going to be taking the NA2J out and putting in the 1J. I'm definitely going to be filming all of that, just in case anybody's wondering. That is going to be really important videos for me to film, because it is going to be a huge learning curve for me, because I am not mechanically inclined whatsoever. So will be fun to learn and figure out, and hopefully I don't poop the bed. But yeah, anyway, so today I'm going to go and pop outside. I'm going to use my steam cleaner and some ONR, and I'm going to rinseless wash my car out in the street so that it is neat and tidy and spick and span and looks like a shiny girl again, so that when she gets put into the garage, she can just get wrecked all over again. So thank you guys for coming and watching my second video now, and I really hope that you guys like it. Enjoy! The only tools that I'm going to be using for my cleaning is I have this bucket here. It's filled with a bunch of rags with ONR diluted. I'm going to be testing out a couple of the WoWo's products that I haven't had a chance to use yet. And then my handy dandy steam cleaner, which I literally use for everything. And this is all you need.
Built a house to burn it down, ran our faith into the ground. The last words came out your mouth, so we're going nowhere. But we're gonna do what we're gonna do and say what we're gonna say. And even though it's all in the past, doesn't mean it's all okay, yeah. I sit awake all night, trying to write the perfect lines. You always wanted someone to write you a song, a song. I got something on my mind, ooh, yeah. And I got one thing to sing to you, to you, fuck you. Fuck you.
Hey, yo, Don, chill. Let me hit him with this one real quick. Slow it down, it's my turn. Not my fault you never learned. Said you tried, that's a lie. And this dream that I'll never find. Why are you inside my mind? It's creeping up and telling me that we're just running out of time. I said this shit 1,000 times, I'll say it 1,000 more. You broke me up and broke me down while you living safe and sound. So here it is, what you want, know that I'm just getting started. I got something on my mind, this is where you get left
I sit
behind.
awake all night, trying to write the perfect lines. You always wanted someone to write you a song, a song. I got something on my mind, ooh, yeah. And I got one thing to sing to you, fuck you.
I got something on my mind, ooh, yeah. And I got one thing to sing to you.
Better off for now. Better off for
How many nights have we ended in a fight? I'm sick of all these games, girl, to waste my time. Back and forth through the door. No, I can't do this tug of war anymore. I'm losing my grip, but I gotta let you go. 'Cause I think
Alright, I now have the sniffles because I was outside for like an hour, and my body can't handle any amount of cold, so bear with me. So I just finished cleaning my car outside. Rinse was washing it, and I've got to say I'm pretty stoked with the results. I was never somebody who used to wash their vehicle on a regular basis. I never quite honestly understood it prior to getting into the car world. What is that piece of hair doing? So this is something I never would have ever even thought in a million years of attempting. I wouldn't ever even wash a car in the wintertime because it's too cold. But I actually really enjoyed doing this. This was actually a lot of fun. I enjoy washing my car. It brings me a sense of pride to do stuff like that, and especially being able to do it when there isn't really an ability to. Like, my car currently doesn't have a battery in it, so it's not going anywhere anytime soon anyways. But yeah, I had a ton of fun doing it, and I just want to give a quick shout out to all the products that I used in this video, because I am incredibly impressed with the new products that I used, and then as always, I love everything that I've always used. When I talk about O&R, this is what I am talking about. I am talking about Optimum No Rinse. This stuff is fantastic, and the dilution ratio is insane. It is literally a capful for every 2 gallons, so you pretty much can get away with using a huge jug like this for years. If you're depending on how many vehicles you do. If it's just like a personal thing, yeah, this will last you forever. But this is what I use. So those rags were soaking in an O&R dilution solution, as well as inside of my steam cleaner, I put an O&R solution as well, because I just love this product. I love what it can do. I use O&R for virtually everything. You can clean your house with that stuff. It is fantastic. But yes, this is what I used in the steam cleaner, and this is what I used to wipe the car down, was Optimum No Rinse. And then for my wax that I used the new WoWo's Quick Detailer. This product comes out December 9th. Not this product specifically, their entire lineup of stuff. They have tons and tons and tons of products. This is the 3rd product now that I've used from them that I've got my hands on, and I am super not disappointed by anything that I've used by them. This stuff, to begin with, gives Beadmaker a run for its money, I think, because I'm quite fond of Beadmaker and the shine that it brings out, and this, I hardly had to put anything on, and it brought out all the glitter and sparkles in my car like you couldn't imagine. And it smells ridiculous to top it all off. I love this stuff. This is probably gonna end up being one of my favorite products that I use on a regular basis. And then I also used their Tyre Restore. I'm not typically a fan of Tyre Shine. I usually only use it just for like car shows and stuff like that. This stuff I'm decent fan of. It was really easy to apply to my tires, and it made them actually look like pretty close to brand new, considering my tires are basically down to quartz at this point. And again, this product smells absolutely insanely good, so it's a super good investment. I'd like to try it out a little bit more. I don't really have a whole lot of sidewall on my tire, so it's kind of hard to see the full application of this product. But hopefully down the road I'll be able to get a chance to use it. And yeah, that is everything that I used to clean my car this time around, and I am super, super happy with the results, and I'm super happy with how everything turned out. I hope that this video maybe taught some people some things about being able to wash your car regardless of what the weather's like outside. I mean, I wouldn't recommend doing this in a blizzard by any means, but it's only about like 5-ish degrees Celsius here today, so it's not too cold, not too warm, but definitely the perfect temperature to be doing it because it's not like my steam cleaner's freezing up on me or anything like that. But yeah, if you live somewhere in a climate that it does get down to a little colder during the days, in the wintertime, stuff like that, and you're looking for an alternative to washing your car with a giant pressure washer, this is 100% a fantastic option. I will probably stick with doing this option to my car for quite some time because I am lazy and I don't pay myself to do this. But I had so much fun, and I am super, super stoked on the results from the products, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Yeah, I hope you guys comment, subscribe, like, do whatever you want to do, and yeah, enjoy this video and enjoy my crazy life. Thank you.